Hey guys, welcome back to channel. The next generation of Galaxy S24 series come with a lot of changes. The bezel on the Galaxy S24 and 4 Plus likely even slimmer than the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, which is very much impressive. Last but not the least, we have the display specs for the entire Galaxy S24 series, and also the S24 Plus also getting QHD Plus display. The same thing also made S24 Ultra. According to IC Universe, the Galaxy S24 lineup come with the 2500 nits peak brightness, and both smartphones also support 45-watt fast charging. And Samsung using two processors for the Galaxy S24 series, Exynos and Snapdragon. Finally, yesterday Samsung launched Exynos 2400 chipset with 70% GPU faster R&D and A3 GPU. And also S24 series likely to be released early that expect. Yes, the S24 series launched in 18 January 2024. So let's see what happened in the future. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always.